Kia ora, my name is Waiuku. I'm auditioning for Homai to Pakipaki. It's my first time. Yeah, I'm here with my bro.
I'm 12 years old and I come from Nelson.
Wait, hang on. Do I just start? How do I start it? Feeling pretty excited. I'm auditioning with my sister, Hemwata.
When I'm singing, I feel free, I guess.
You guys perform much outside of church, or is it mainly at church?
We just started.
to
perform outside church.
Cool. And whereabouts you go? Just busking or just gigs or?
Community gig.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome.
You never know if you never try to forget your past and simply be mine.
Very quickly, yes, it's a yes from me. I'll send you through for a second audition. Come on in mischief 1 and mischief 2. Hey, that's what's happening, eh?
Oh girl, you got me hoping you're okay. Oh girl.
I was sort of going through a hard time, bring my sister up, and then yeah, she picked me up with a song. She made the song for me.
Well, my mum used to make us sing and then we loved it. This is my first breakout, just to have fun to begin with and to overcome nerves, do something different, you know, tick it off my bucket list and widen my dating pool. Dating network, yeah. That's really what it's about. I love discovering Gisborne because I've just moved there. I like adventures, I'm adventurous, so going to the beach. I've got a big family, even just looking at the beaches is really nice.
So, you've got room to dance a little bit with our big stage. You can come forward a little bit. You can go over to the side a little bit. You can come back to this side a little bit. But what we don't want you to do is head backwards. Because as you're heading backwards, the light comes off your face. And the further back you go, in Ray's case, the further black you go. Okay.
I gotta learn to not look so worried and make the stage like mine.
The experience is amazing. It's nothing like I expected, but I'm loving every moment right now. I can't remember the exact age or date. Like when I first heard, you know, what music was, I just started singing along to the music, and as I grew I just got better, I guess. Oh yeah, my heart was pounding and I think I was getting heartburn and it was amazing and I think my performance was good. Yeah. Well, I hope it was.
It was incredible. It was brilliant.
Three, two, one.
Just another experience. Hey, together.
Yeah.
When we go and do singing things, we do it together, and this is just another step.
And I can't wait to go on stage and perform.
Yeah, I'm pretty nervous, but yeah, all I can do is try my best.
Wish me luck.